Woo!
Oh, pakita mo lang dito.
Ah. Ay! Woo! Oh!
Okay, go.
Oh no! My arm
Tog.
got hooked by... Oh! Not me!
Dali tayo guys, bas.
You're only... Basta ikaw lang kilala.
Hello!
Okay, come on too.
Hello! Shout out! Shot puno! Meow!
Hello, good morning guys. It's a hot and raining morning here in Lumot Lake, Cabinti, Laguna. English episode tayo ngayon. So I'm here with my friends from Baghdad, Riding Thunders TV.
Yeah! Good morning!
And from New York, Mr. Walton Chung. Yeah.
And
Mark from Thailand. Mark from Thailand.
Kulitin mo yan, Mark.
So I'll do bass fishing now. And
Snakehead.
Riding Thunders got one snakehead, big snakehead, and
One bass.
one largemouth bass. We're using this lure, Birking Deep Dive. Came from Wind Prague and Fish. Wind Prague and Fish Tackle Shop. So we'll do casting, bass fishing. We'll try our best to catch fish. So I will update you guys if we catch some fish. Stay tuned. Relax and
Stay tuned and unsubscribe.
unsubscribe. Feel the vibes of the surroundings, the nature. Very very silent here. You can hear only
You can hear only
tagak and the carabao.
Sana, Mark.
Carabao and the birds here in this fishing spot. So we rent a boat with paddles. Oh, strike. Boat with paddles. We do this in our own. So we'll update you guys. Thank you. Guys.
Yung nakaulay na. Wala na sa water. Yung nakaulay na.
Ayun o. Ayun o.
Hey guys.
Sama-sama pa, pre.
Sama-sama pa.
Oo, ayun o.
Hindi, di naman naghiwalay yan kahit walang
Eh, sumasabog yan, pre. Pag wala na
Okay.
yung lugar dyan.
cast.
Pero pinag-iisa yun.
We're using deep dive lure from Birking.
Basel.
Oh.
Di ba may pinasa ka sa GC?
Oh.
Yung ginaganyan kayo.
Okay. No problem.
Anong ginaganyan?
Ayun eh. Yung binabayabas. Ayun, nasa harapan mo na. Boss nila. Ito lang oh.
Where is the snakehead fry?
Saan?
Ayun.
Left?
Ayun, yun.
Ana?
Wait.
Asa na? Where is the snakehead fry? Okay.
Mine.
Mine. You hear that? That's Brahmini kite. Brahmini kite baby Brahmini kite. He's waiting for his mother. Fish on! Fish on, guys!
Dali, Philip.
Fish on! Woo!
Oh, boss.
Largemouth bass! Yes! Woo!
Oh, pakita mo lang dito.
Ah.
Si Philip.
Ay! Woo! Oh!
Okay, go.
Oh no! My arm
Tog.
got hooked but not on the barb. Look at that, guys.
Dadali ka?
Oh.
Tog.
Ah.
Tog. Bumaon yung sima.
No. Just a little bit. Thank you. for the fish.
Lagi na spirit.
Okay, okay. Cast again, cast again. Mark, you can use minnow, jerk bait.
Wala, ayaw ito throw ko ngayon maya-maya.
Oh, it's bleeding.
Your boat ay throwing. I will throw you.
We got one, we got one.
Spirit that one. And mine is got two. Yeah,
Oh, yes.
boy! Maganda doon, pre. Banda.
Ah.
Mamaya balikan natin ito dahil sa dalag. Nasaan yung dalag, Mark? Wala?
Oh, it's raining while the sun is burning. Burning us here. May kinakasal na tikbalang. Yes, a swim bait.
Pamalaman tong lugar na ito, no?
Hmm.
Uy. I think si is ano?
Mark, you have a minnow? I have a minnow here. You want to use it?
Kaya mo kay ano. Hey, you want to borrow the mino? You want to borrow that? Oh, Sir Philip!
Strike?
In-strike, pre. Dalag. Ano sa may bato? Cool.
Cool. Bukol.
Okay, kayo lang ang ano. Kayo lang kilala.
Saan napunta yung ano? Hindi yan, tumago yan sa ilalim ng bato.
Maano talaga siya, Mark? Makalas talaga siya. More head shake. When you caught a bass. We need to hook.
Philip are teaching
Philip is teaching daw. Here.
teaching.
Where's dad? Where's mommy?
Where is their mommy?
Ina-cooler dyan eh. Ina-cooler.
Mommy bass.
You find the man.
Oh, strike again. You're lucky today. You got two.
Hello!
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
You hear that?
Ayan, strike. Sino? Lag mo yung strike. Maliit ng dalag yata.
Oh, strike.
Strike? I think small stick head.
I got strike on that area. Yo. Oh, strike.
Uli na.
No, no.
Ha?
Oh, unhook.
Ano?
Unhook.
Oh.
Sa 14 grams.
Look,
Ah,
grilled snakehead.
You want to grill the snakehead? But we don't have we don't have charcoal.
Huh?
We don't have charcoal. We only have wet woods. Okay. Time first.
Largemouth bass. Yes!
Oh! Ah, tingnan, pakita mo naman dito!
Ah. Ay! Oh!
Okay, go.
Oh no!
Yeah. Thank you. We don't bad in English.
Bass. I'm here.
For change spot. Oh, this water is shallow. I think I can go swim and catch some forest mud clams. There's also plenty of mud clams here. You know mud clams?
I know I'm mad at you.
You mad at me? Why? Wala.
Wala nga kami
Nakailan ka? Aba!
Grabe!
Si Manoy guys Manoy Fishing Adventure. He got 4 again. Wow. We are here at Lumot Lake. Ang gilid ng kawayan Ganda.
Manoy, strike again.
Lagi doon sa tabi yung tapon.
Parang nagpalit ka na rin ng braided Palit ka na? Mas maganda ihagis yung braided Malayo.
Malayo ang tapon.
Oo. Kesa yung tansi. Si Manoy. Kilala na ng mga bass to Pagka dumarating to si Manoy tatakbuhan yung mga bus. Naglalapitan ba? You are a bus whisperer.
Hindi gusto yung lure, walang magitarap. Ayaw.
Si Manoy. Na ayaw na mag-upload sa YouTube. Sa TikTok na to TikTok. Daming huli TikTok. Ilang ba sa TikTok?
Kasi 20 followers mo.
10K. Pero saglit lang Mataas pa views. Mataas ang views sa TikTok
Nagtitiktok na nga rin ako Manoy Bakat brief.
TikTok bakat.
Kita suso.
Tignan natin yan mamaya.
We'll go
Ganda pala ng langoy ito.
Wait. Okay, I think we can we don't need to paddle. Just the wind blows. Oh,
Ilalim ng kawayan na yan
wag ganun. We turn turn left and then turn right. Okay, we'll resume casting. Bass fishing. You like that? You like my
Doon ko ng camera ko. Parang nararamdaman kong
You like my music?
Anchor release.
Ayan, release mo yung anchor. You are a boatman helper.
Boatman helper. Anchorman. Oh, there is a bamboo here. Ay, there. Be careful.
Yun, no? Sureball yung ano na yun, no?
Sulok.
Balikan natin yung dalag mamaya dun, pre.
Hop. Okay, wait. Just wait. Okay, okay.
Balikan natin yung dalag dun mamaya, no? May asawa yun eh. Pag malaking dalaga sumakmal dito, bawas na hook nito eh.
Kaya?
Ha?
Kaya.
Ayun, no? Broken.
Broken things.
Broken feelings.
Broken feelings.
Sa batuhan, no? Batuhan kasi ito eh.
Yeah. Rocky Port. The Rocky Port.
Yun.
Parang naharbisan na to nung kanina.
Ha?
Naharbisan na.
Hindi lang natukulan yung part na yun, no?
Oh.
No?
Nasalubong natin. Di ba nakawalo?
Kapag mangilundalag talaga yung kumagat dito, ang hook to pre. Send mo nga sa akin yung picture niya, Lip.
Yun guys, meron pa pala tayong dalag. Yung nahuli ni Riding Thunders. Yung malaki. Malaking dalag guys. Ingat! Ingat, ingat! Yun guys. Dalag pa.
Guys, yung bigay sa atin yung ano yung ano. Largemouth bass. Sabihin natin to.
I want to thank yung mga nakasama natin, our friend from New York, Mr. Walton Chung. Yun, thank you so much. And Riding Thunders TV and Manoy Fishing Adventure from Lumut Lake and Mark Bisiril. Mr. Walton gave us a headlight, flashlight. I will show you when I go down because I am picking up wild spinach here in the garden. So thank you so much for supporting us guys, and see you on the next vlog. Goodbye. Ayan guys, flashlight bigay sa atin ni Mr. Walton. Rechargeable siya. Meron din siyang meron siyang charging cord. Ayan, thank you so much.